All right, everybody. I am going to offer you a super simple, helpful tip for installing the ring gaskets or crush gaskets for your exhaust. This is a used one, but it'll get the idea across. Many times what people are finding is when they put this in, and obviously your engine will be like this, they put that in and they go to grab their exhaust and boom, it falls out. And they can't get it to stay up in there while they install the exhaust pipe. Super simple trick. Take some grease. Don't have to overdo it, but just give her a smear. Stick her on there. And that grease is going to hold it in place for you to put your exhaust on. It's not going to cause any problems. It might smoke a little bit. It's going to burn off, but that'll hold that in place long enough for you to install your exhaust pipe.